here on Talk of the Town with Aaron Black. He is a facilities manager for the town of Hilton Head with some exciting news about the beach. Many beach initiatives that are ongoing and future vision for the beach. So you said that you've really focused on these beach initiatives over the last year, right?
Correct. Our beach operations team was really formed last summer, just to provide that personalized service for our beaches and our beach facilities, just to make it a better beach experience for everyone who visits our beaches.
So let's start with the Beach Ambassador Program. I think that is really cool. Now, talk about that.
Our Beach Ambassador Program was actually started last year, where we've actually working with USCB. We've gotten some students as well as some island residents. Basically to act as a welcoming committee for our residents and our guests at the beach. If folks have questions on rules of the beach or where to go to eat or any locales on the island, the beach ambassadors are there to help them out.
Okay, perfect. And then the beach mats have expanded, which great.
Correct. Our Moby mats, we've taken an initiative this year to provide access to our greatest amenity on the island. Our beach mats they allow folks to have greater access to the beach, whether it's in wheelchairs, bicycles, wagons, you name it. There's no reason why someone can't go to the beach now.
And another initiative is the beach basket. So if you're out walking the beach, you can pick up a basket and help keep the beach clean. And
Absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah.
If you're taking your dog for a walk in the morning or a stroll sunset-wise, you can pick up one of our beach baskets, pick up trash, and then dump it in the receptacle as you exit.
Okay, now in the works, the Overlook Pavilion, the beach wheelchair loaner program, bike repair stations.
A lot of good stuff coming down the pipe. Should be finishing up with our ADA pavilion at Islanders Beach Park, which allows our handicapped folks to enjoy the beach without actually going onto the beach. So it's an Overlook Pavilion. Our beach wheelchair program, we have 4 wheelchairs that we can loan out to residents or guests here on the island at Coligny or Islanders in order to access the beach itself.
Are they special wheelchairs?
They are. They're
Aaron?
the big tires and
Okay,
the plastic PVC frame, so very
cool.
accessible.
Nice.
And then our bike repair stations, we're putting those up around the island, Coligny, Chaplin, and Folly Field for enthusiast bikers that we have here. It gives them an opportunity to repair a flat or make an adjustment on their bike.
Well, that's a nice service. And then the ongoing Adopt a Beach, the Beach Toy, the Finnegan's Sharing Shack, the Breeze Shuttle. Share with us.
A lot of partners that we work with. Finnegan Share Shack at Dreesen's Park is our second year with working with USCB on that. They offer donated beach chairs and umbrellas and boogie boards and things, so that way you don't have to bring yours to the beach.
How does that happen? How does that work?
We get donations, and Bethany mans the shack there and is able to hand those things out for people to take to the beach and then bring back in.
And then they just bring it back?
Exactly. Save a trip, don't need to bring your stuff out. Check with Bethany, she's got stuff for you.
Right.
Our Adopt a Beach program, we've revitalized that. It's really an island-wide initiative. We're working with Marriott and Westin and Sea Pines and a lot of other partners in order to create dates to set up beach cleanup efforts. After all our holidays, Memorial Day, 4th of July,
when it's
Labor
really
Day,
jammed.
when there's a lot of activity on the beach, we're planning dates to clean up our beaches those days.
Okay, very good. We have about 45 seconds left. Aaron, is there any advice that you have for us beachgoers, either the tourists or the residents? What would be maybe the top couple of things that we need to always remember when we go to the beach?
Well, just when you go to the beach, make sure whatever you take, you bring back with you. Obviously, our beaches are special. That's why a lot of us live down here and want to visit down here, because they're so clean. We need to keep them clean. And also for an environment and our wildlife. It's turtle season, as everybody knows, so we want to make sure those turtles have the best possible chance to make it in and their babies to make it back out. So anything the folks can do around the island to help out, that would be great.
Fantastic. Aaron Black with the town of Hilton Head, our facilities manager, on the go, on the beach, making a difference.
Thank you very
so
much.